second day of the Timber Processing and Energy Expo here in Portland, Oregon. My name is Jessica Johnson and I'm joined by my colleague,
Dan Shell.
And we are your senior editors on Timber Processing magazine. We are so excited. We just, like I said, have finished up our second day. It's been a steady crowd. You can hear the fellas enjoying the Joe Scan reception over adjacent to our booth. The story of the day for sure was our Sawmill Productivity and Efficiency Conference. This is our second year doing this conference. In the morning, we focused on the sawmill of the future. One thing that really stood out to me from Simon Putman, the president of BID's Wood Processing Group, which, fun fact, in 2018, it was here at our Portland Sawmill Conference that Brian Fair and Ron McGee did a presentation about the concept of a turnkey operation. Of course, we know that the BID Group's turnkey operations have changed the way greenfield and now major brownfield operations, especially in the U.S. South, exist. So Simon Putman talked a lot about their AI and kind of showed some prototypes they've been messing around with, some robots. The biggest thing that I took away from his presentation, especially to borrow his word, but the presentations as a whole this morning was don't get left behind. All about the future, all about embracing technology, investing in good technology. Dan, you were in the morning and in the afternoon, so kind of tell me what you noticed as well.
In the afternoon, we had some great presentations looking at project implementation and planning, startups and things to avoid, things to make sure you do. Vaughn Emerson and the Sierra Pacific Industries gave a great presentation about the many projects that company's done. One thing they said that really worked for them in a big project where you have a daily crew, big construction going on, they send in a crew after hours to prep the equipment for the next day. Make sure all the fuel's topped off, make sure they've got all the supplies they need, make sure they have everything they need so the next day the crew can come right to work. Then he was followed by Mike Zients with Gilchrist Forest Products, the Nyman Mill over in Central Oregon, and he just delivered 40 years of great sawmill experience about how to put together projects, what to look for, pitfalls, things you need to make sure and make happen, and the way to get it done. And finishing off, because I love energy and I love energy issues, Kevin Collins with the Strategic Energy Group gave a great presentation on there's money lying around for your energy costs, air pressure issues, motors idling. There's money to be picked up on your mill floor if you guys will just go out and do the study. And I really like that. You know, energy is one place you can really make money. The savings go straight to your bottom line.
Well, folks like Mike Zients and Vaughn Emerson are the reason why the Northwest Lumbermen come to Portland, come to our show, come to our conferences. It's those little nuggets of information. And then the fact that you can just walk around, see what's new, grab a beer, grab a brat, grab a bottle of water, network, and say hello. We've got one more day of the Timber Processing and Energy Expo's 2022 edition, so there's still time to come on by. Everyone would love to see you. The show will be open tomorrow from 9 to 3.